Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadu iway point live kandai lakli Longïing beduk ki bom pat yok Bording ki badan haki senong kendong beper jong ke jela kila yok bandring Bording ling bak Skhim jong ke sarkar pedeng ya ke balatip kom ke Perdana Menteri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana Saubhagya ya ke Skhim Saubhagya la pelat pat ba dau konrat kongkal sangma Menteri rang bak jela bat Singh Menteri khana ke sarkar pedeng ubapet ya ke power and new renewable energy haba keren haga jingelang kepada long ha usus tham auditorium Singh Menteri khana sarkar pedeng mulai thu lingba kini ke Skhim lamang kerpang ban penyok Bording ya kirim peyeng baduna kayok kakon ha kisnong nong kendong shwau jemang arajar khat pra ha Meghalaya kidon hadu 1000 hispa nyo punriu teli kisnong ha kebasan punriu hajar ngut ki nong yok bah kin yok ke Bording lingba ke Skhim Saubhagya ha upanai banwan Menteri rangba bot Menteri khana kila sami ki dulir balamang ban sam Bording klem jing siu ling ba ka Saubhagya syakilai phongot ki nong yok bha bala sya jit kerpang kumun syukudau ya ka Skhim Perdana Menteri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana Saubhagya la pelat pat ba dau Menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi ha ka arp santrik unai luar arajar khatnyo da ka jingbu thong pan penpoi ya ka Bording sya man la ka wei pagawe ka tliu hari India kata ha ki jakasor bat jaka nong kendong Hakini kejelang lai don lang James PK sama Menteri Ketnat Bording Rupert M. Momen Chairman ke Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation Limited MIDC nalor kiwi-kiwi.
Now our government thinks about the end result. Now our government said that we will connect every village which is not connected. Our Prime Minister announced this from the rampart to the Red Fort. And he said that I will do it in 1,000 days. Let me tell you, those 1,000 days are getting over on the 11th of May, and we will have connected all the villages in India which were not connected with electricity by the 30th of April, 11 days before the deadline. That is how our government works. Nobody ever thought of these terms. Nobody thought of these lines. Nobody ever said that I will connect every village which is not connected with power. Did any government say it? Our government said it. Our government declared it from the ramparts of the Red Fort on the Independence Day, gave a deadline, and is now exceeding it. As of now, today, we have only about 60 odd villages remaining, out of which 14 are in Meghalaya. And let me tell you this, that we will complete all these 60 odd villages, connect all these 60 odd villages before the 30th of April. And you will see a huge ad in the newspapers that our pledge has been redeemed. That is how our government works. Set impossible deadlines and achieve them. That's what we do. And now moving at a very fast pace to ensure that every household in this country is connected with power. I think it is a wonderful scheme, and so let me show you that Government of Meghalaya will do its part to achieve the goal that we have set for us. This particular concept of connecting every household, not just household, every institution. It is very sad to see that today, not just households, there are PHCs, there are CHCs, there are almost 40% schools in our state that don't have electricity today. A large number of PHCs, CHCs don't have electricity today. In fact, in the last meeting that we had with the Honorable Minister, we had discussed about the option of putting renewable energy, solar panels, in these PHCs and CHCs which don't have current right now, so they can be at least operational through off-grid. And this solar panel should be able to at least power one refrigerator where the medicines, the critical medicines can be kept, fans and lights in critical areas where critical patients are kept, and in the CHC, PHC in general. And I'm very happy to inform you that Honorable Minister Mr. R.K. Singh was very positive. he immediately asked his team to find out ways and means to do that.